Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. Unless you live under a rock, you know that silver prices have been exploding, heading towards $24, $25. Prices are definitely on a bull run. Now, with that said, I'm going to be talking about why prices actually might start to fall and what the best strategy is for you. So before we start, make sure to smash that like button. Let's see if this video can get 300 likes. We have a 300 like goal. Smash that like button if you love precious metals. Smash that like button if you are bullish on silver. Also, make sure you subscribe because I post daily videos. I will give you the newest, latest, freshest, most up-to-date, recent information in the world of precious metals. I am your guide. This is your channel. Hit that like button. We just smashed past 28,000 subscribers, headed towards that 30,000 target. So with that said, let's jump into it. So a lot of investors are shocked. A lot of people are kicking themselves. A lot of people missed the boat, wishing they could go back in time and buy that $12 silver that we saw in March, wishing they could go back in time and buy silver for cheaper, because we all knew, people like you and I, silver stackers, we knew this silver was a ticking time bomb waiting to explode. We saw the signals, we saw the signs. It was blatantly obvious that silver was going to explode sooner than later. Now, most people were against us. Most people thought we were crazy. Most people thought that silver was a bad investment. Well, I hate to say I told you so, but silver stackers get the last laugh. Now, I want to bring this topic full circle because prices more than likely will start to fall a little bit. That's not to say they're going to keep falling. See, this is an extremely important part to understand. Investments go up and go down, and go up and go down. You never ever want an investment to go up, 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 and just keep going up without any type of correction, with any type of dip. That means it's going to crash, crash, crash. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin shot up to $20,000, just kept going up, up, up. And look what happened. It crashed, crashed, crashed. Not to ever see anywhere near $20,000 Bitcoin again. So if we want these prices to stay this high, to stay in this range, then there has to be some sell-offs, some dips, some corrections. All that means is that people are taking some profits, they're capitalizing on some profits, selling the tops, which you probably should be doing anyways, not all of your stack, just a portion, and they're selling the tops, and then getting their returns, and then once the price dips a little bit, it's only an opportunity to buy silver for cheaper one last time. See, a lot of times when the price starts going down, people freak out, they panic sell. You're supposed to buy low, sell high. Buy the dips, sell the tops. That's investing 101. Most people actually buy the tops and sell the dips. It's backwards thinking. It's crazy. I know it sounds crazy that people do this, but the majority of investors, a lot of you probably will as well. And why is this, Silver Slayer? Well, it's this herd mentality. People want to see results. So right now, as silver is setting, multi-year highs, it's getting all the attention, all the attraction, so people want to buy it. They're like, holy crap, silver's doing great. I want some silver now. Even though that's what silver's as high as it's ever been in 10 years. So right now you're paying a 10-year premium. You're paying the highest spot price that silver's been in 10 years. You're paying the highest it's been in 10 years. So you're paying a very, very, very pricey, a very, very, very high amount, where most people bought at $15. So that all these new people, these new investors are buying it when it's most expensive. And once the price starts to go down from this correction, from this dip, they freak out. They think silver prices are going to bottom out, which is never, that's such a catastrophic perspective, because if you understand silver's true value, you would know it's going to go back up. And the thing is, people like you and I, once the correction happens, is only an opportunity to buy your silver for cheaper. See, you have to look at the markets from, uh, I guess, backwards, as most people look at them, forwards. Right? When prices are low, most people say, "Oh, I don't want to touch silver. It's a bad investment." People like you and I say, "Holy crap, this is amazing. Silver's cheap." See how it's a glass half full, glass half empty type situation? People like people that look at $15 silver and say, "Oh, that's terrible. Silver's such a bear market. There's no money to be made there." You and I look at that and say, $15 silver? Heck yeah, because I know it's worth a lot more than that. You have to look at it from an opportunistic standpoint. You have to see the bigger picture. And this goes along with panic selling because I made a lot of video. Actually, made a video a couple days ago talking about panic selling. Now, this isn't a panic selling type video. This isn't even a selling type video. I really this video was really sparked from, so much has been going on lately. I've been reading a lot of articles, just hearing some different perspectives from different companies, different investors, just what their take on this all is, and it really boils down that silver's price is rising so drastically and so dramatically for two different reasons, right? There is this overspending from the Fed. So we have the stimulus, this incredible amount of money coming to keep the economy afloat, but also there's green energy, so there's demand. And actually, if you want to get into it, there's other factors as well, right? And the third factor that's coming in is all these new investors, all these new investors coming in, that see silver start to rise, and they want a slice of the silver pie. So not only is this overspending from the Fed going to keep silver higher, but silver's industrial uses that gold doesn't have is going to keep rising. So silver is definitely going to start outpacing gold as the economy recovers to some extent. But then you also have all the money from big business, and not only from big business, but people like you and I who want to make some money on silver as well. So silver's a win-win. Not only is it used as a safe haven metal, no, not only is it used as a safe haven metal for people that want to transfer their wealth into something that holds its value, aka intrinsic value. Also, it's used from a supply and demand perspective. So demand is booming, supply is diminishing. Green energy, everything is turning green. We're turning into a green energy solar powered type of economy. Photovoltaic cells or PV cells are highly used. It's silver, and as we expand with green energy, as billions of dollars, more dollars are poured into this, by I think like an insane amount by the year 2035, it's only ensuring that the demand for silver is going to keep going up, up, up. From 5G technology, from EVs, electric vehicles, everything is pointing towards a higher demand for silver. But we have a diminishing supply, a falling supply. See, silver has potential where most people don't see. And one of the articles I was talking about, this guy mentions that, says most people don't even understand and really can't comprehend why silver has so much potential and what's really going on behind the scenes. The price isn't just going up randomly. The price isn't just going up because of this pandemic. There's so many other things behind the scenes that's going on that is drastically affecting the price, and it's going to keep taking the price higher. See, there's still silver still has legs. There's still a lot of room to run for silver. Now, yes, I was talking about silver prices falling, pretty soon, but guess what? The price is going to catch up, and it's going to go up higher than it was this week. Right, it might drop down to $21, $20, but then the next run is going to be $24, $25. Then it might drop down to $22, $23. Then it's going to hit up to $30. It's an up and down. It's an up and down motion, but if you look at the bigger picture, if you can step back, it's gradually going upwards. It's building stability. It's breaking past support lines. It's holding support lines. It's breaking past resistance levels. And that's where we need silver to go for prices to hold, because in 2011 silver was $50, right? But it didn't stay there for too long because it wasn't stable. There was no stability. It happened too fast. Nowadays, silver's building a foundation, right? It's building a foundation from all the things, from the demand, from the supply diminishing, from the investors, from the big business that need it, and the economy, what's happening with this pandemic, plus the 2020 presidential election happening. So, yes, I am extremely bullish on silver. Yes, I think silver is going to go much higher, but in the meantime, for the shorter term, prices might start to go down a little bit, and that's just from people being so excited they want to capitalize, they want to take some profits. Now, it might go down for a day and then it might go up for a while. It might go down for a couple days and then it goes up. Who's to say? We don't know. All I know is that silver is the best, smartest investment. I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash the like button. I posted 2 other videos today, so make sure you tune into those as well. Make sure to smash the like button. Let's see if this video can get 300 likes. Like this video if you love precious metals. Also, make sure you subscribe if you love this type of video where I kind of go share more of my opinion. Make sure to smash the like button. If you like the more article type videos, check out the other videos I posted today. I try to get a nice mix in, sharing my perspective and then sharing other people's perspectives. It really gives a more open, a more diverse perspective, right? I don't want to be biased. I don't like closed-mindedness. I like to bring in, a lot of different perspectives on a situation, on the topic, and that allows us to learn the most. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to wrap this video up here. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.